All right. Good morning, everybody. I did some work on the ETX yesterday, and I have a plan for maintenance I got to do on that. Since I left some parts or some tools out here in the garage that I had to come get this morning, I decided that I would see about running in number 3 on the generator box. So, started fastening the generator box a little bit differently than before. So I gotta see if I can get it to hold steady for the way it's fastened. Anyhow, ignition is good to go. I did not change the needle setting on the ET1 from yesterday, so there we go. And this box keeps turning. Alright, well, we'll see how that goes for a bit and let it run in number 3 there. Although I might switch it so it's around 1 and or 2 and 3. We'll see. But right now we'll let it run in number 3.